This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Charming Cape Cod-style home situated on a corner lot with an oversized front porch. This home boasts 4 bedrooms with 2 rooms down and 2 up. A first-floor primary bedroom with a full bath, open floor plan featuring a spacious kitchen and dining area. Large back deck perfect for entertaining and conveniently located near Buckroe Beach and I-64. Let's not forget the oversized 1-car garage with a small workshop, storage shed along with additional driveway space. Yes, it has a beautiful view at the end of Primrose Avenue of Mill Creek with Fort Monroe in the background. This can be your next home sweet home. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-300